In the process of packing for New Orleans. My hair is a mess, so the first thing we're gonna do is my hair so I don't have to worry about it when I'm there. And I think I'm gonna try and do a transition right now. And boom! Did it work? I don't know. Hair is done. I officially need to start packing. First thing I'm packing is my makeup, and I want to show you guys some of the new stuff that I got from the Sephora VIB sale. First thing I got is this Tatcha kit. I really liked it, so I wanted to get the actual set. And then I was like, you know what, I might as well just buy the full size face wash, which I did. I also bought the clarifying one, which I also love. The moisturizer in this one is whatever. I prefer the moisturizer in this one. It's very hydrating. But this from Rare Beauty. I've been wanting to try Rare Beauty for so long, especially the liquid blushes. It came with a set of 3, so I'm gonna pack this one with me. This is the shade Encourage, and it is so freaking nice. I actually like using this on my lips too. It is a little bit drying, but the shade is really nice on your lips as well. I have the new Makeup by Morrow eyeshadow palette. This is the Ethereal Eyes, and it is stunning. I just wanted like a perfect everyday eyeshadow palette, nothing crazy, and I just want to stick to one palette. I don't want a lot of palettes. I just want one staple one that I can use all the time. I bought the Makeup by Morrow. I know I got a lot of Makeup by Morrow because I've been wanting to try that brand for so long, and honestly I am obsessed. I got 2 different shades in the Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum. I got Cinnamon Glow, and then I got Mocha Glow. Love this stuff. If you like the natural lip, you know, like a tinted lip balm, this is for you. I've been liking that more than a matte lip. I got the Lancome I don't know how to pronounce this foundation, but I got this foundation, and then I got the matching concealer with it. I actually bought this at Ulta because they were having a sale too. Hi, bushy boy. Hey, Jamin. Little Peanut in her little Christmas sweater. We need to keep packing. We need to keep packing because it's already late. I think it's late. I don't even know what time it is. And I have to get up at 3. 3, bitch. 3. Yeah. We made it to the ELIZA Jane Hotel. How do you say it?
New Orleans.
New Orleans. New Orleans. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. Here is a room tour of our hotel. Looks like this. The lighting looks a little weird, but it's really nice in person. I really like the rich colors that they have, like all the forest green. Have a little coffee station, lots of dim lighting. Here is the bathroom. Love the gold detailing. The gold detailing in this bathroom is really nice. Here's the shower. The door is like so close to the toilet, oh my god. And then here is the bedroom area. We have 2 friends staying with us, so here is how it looks like from another angle of the room. This booty, booty.
Ow!
Here is today's outfit. I have my sock and jewelry. I'm wearing my mama's hoops that she passed down to me. Glasses are from Quay. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. Bodysuit. I love this bodysuit. This bodysuit is from Paragon, and it's actually gonna be on sale on Black Friday. My puffer jacket is from Cotton On. Jeans are fit jeans. I also have a code with them. These are the baggy jeans. I highly recommend sizing down. I'm wearing a size small and they're pretty big. I'm wearing my Jaden Doc Martens, and then I have my big Nike bag to carry all my shit in. And yeah, makeup of the day. Pretty simple. This has been my go-to makeup routine for the past 2 weeks. Love it. I might do an updated makeup routine. We're going on a boat today that's gonna take us around the water and under the bridge, and we're gonna listen to jazz music, eat some good food, and right now we're gonna go get some beignets before we go on the cruise. Dinner last night was amazing. 10 out of 10.
Sexual.
10 out of 10, highly recommend. This place was amazing. It's called Morrow's. Had the char grilled oysters, barbecue shrimp, and the crawfish pasta. So freaking good. So freaking good. So much flavor. And this place usually gets really packed, but we came during the week and there was literally no wait. We got sat down right away. Thank God. Majority of the places here get packed on the weekend, so they recommend trying places during the week. So thankfully we went to Morrow's first because their food is so flavorful. Oh my God. Hands down, one of like the best restaurants that me and Babe have tried.
I don't like sweets either. That's good.
I'm talking to a tree over there? You talking to trees? He's going back to talk to the tree, you guys. These trees look so insane. That is amazing.
So fucking good.
I got regular peach, caramel apple, cinnamon peach praline, and then mango peach. Having a beignet flight at the vintage matcha, s'mores, and raspberry. Oh my God.
How is it? Football?
Actually, the matcha's pretty good.
Really?
I didn't expect it to be that good.
Oh my God.
I know, it's like oozing out.
No, it looks like baby shit.
What?
Look at it.
Looks like baby food.
Look at it. No, it looks like a messy diaper.
Oh, this is really good.
Right? That one's good.
Can I try it?
Yep.
Time for the s'mores. I think I like the matcha better.
It was really creamy.
The matcha was, I feel like the chocolate's like a little too rich. Or you like it?
I like it.
You like the s'more?
Their flavors are a little bit more dry.
Runny, but just enough.
The raspberry beignet reminds me of a toaster strudel. Right?
Yeah.
Exactly like a toaster strudel. Guys, that's an albino gator. Excuse me. Hello, sir. How's your day?
I haven't watched that show. No?
You guys, we're going on that today. We're going on an airboat today. This big boy right here. And we're gonna see gators and we're gonna go in a swamp. It's my first time ever being in a swamp. Yay! Yay! Are you excited? Gotta see gators.
What? What?
We're gonna see gators. We got a frozen margarita for the ride.
Yeah.
This is my brother-in-law. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. There's an alligator. What?
Well, at least we got lucky to see you.
Oh my God. Order the fried chicken, mac and cheese. Gotta get the cornbread. Babe has catfish, mac and cheese. How you like mac and cheese, babe?
Good.
Good?
But
Oh my God.
right.
Nah, Get your own. Get your own. That is good. That is you eat your chickens?
I think it's better.
Cornbread. That is amazing.
Try this. Try catfish.
I'm so happy right now. Sweet Lord, that's amazing. I'm shocked right now. We just finished eating at Willie Mae's. Babe, what's your...
10 out of 10.
Literally the best fried chicken
20 out
I've
of
ever
10.
had. I don't like
20 out of
fried
10.
chicken like that, but I love their fried chicken. This is the best fried chicken I've ever had in my life.
They forced their way onto me, and then at one point I started to really enjoy it. And it wasn't forcing anymore.
It was so good that I didn't even want to share.
She took half my
chicken.
she took my fried catfish, and I had to order my own fried chicken.